Everyone. Today we are going to deploy Angular app in Kubernetes. We are going to use Docker Hub, GitHub repository. So let me start the pipeline. I have already created the project. So create the pipeline, go to the pipeline, new pipeline, select other Git and GitHub. Select your repository. I choose the repository name. Also continue, and I'm going to choose a Docker container. Here you can see in the left side build an image, push an image. I need to choose the container registry. Already I added the service connection Docker Hub, and I'm going to choose the Docker file. Okay, and the build is I need to choose the right build name which is in Docker registry. I'm just going to maybe I can copy paste the same name I have here, paste, and similarly for push I need to select container registry and then the registered service connection, and then going to paste here. Okay, now we have build and push. Additionally, I need to add the copy for the artifact. So I'm just type copy file, and one more task, publish artifact. Okay, I'm adding it here. We should add the target where we are going to add in copy to file. I'm just copy paste here the target file which is in publish artifact, and also I'm going to choose the deployment file. So I can copy this file and put it the content. Now click save. We are good, everything is done. Okay, done, fine. Save and queue. So you can type something, commit, just click save. It's going to take some more time in order to build push the registry. In the meantime, I'm going to the command prompt. Now we need to know the AKS configuration. So we are using kubectl config view. You can see the YAML file. These are the YAML file. And next, if you want to add the service connection, kubectl --raw. You can see the token. This one, what we are doing here, we need to add in this service connection, and you need to add here, and we are going to create a namespace also. So kubectl create namespace qa. Okay, similarly I'm going to create for production. So we have two namespace. So how to kubectl get so you have by default and public system prod qa, you have qa, and we are going to deploy in qa and production. Okay, fine. Now what are the services? Let me run kubectl get svc. In the default, it goes to default. We have the Kubernetes cluster IP, and I'm going to choose namespace qa. Okay, no resource found. Similarly, production, no namespace found. Now we have we know the details about the Kubernetes configuration. Let me go back to GitHub, maybe Docker Hub. Docker Hub, I have, this is the registry, Docker registry, and I'm going to push the image here only. So yeah, so here this one is GitHub. GitHub, what is the YAML file we have? So it is simple API version, kind deployment, metadata, Angular deployment, and we have this is the configuration I copied and pasted while built, and we have the port number exposed to 80, and we have version 1 service. These are the very simple YAML file. Let me go to the pipeline. It's still running. Okay, so this will take time. It's going to push it. Let's wait for some more time. Parallelly, I have also created other project, similar project, to save the time. So once it's completed, then we have to create the release. Release is we have to create a new release. Let me go back and wait for this. Let it complete. Okay, I think it's completed. So okay, now we are ready. Now we are going to the release. Click on release. I'm going to create new release. So now we are going to deploy to the Kubernetes cluster. Select, and giving the name QA, maybe QA, type QA, and I need to add the artifact which we copied. So let me choose the one. Okay, anything is fine. I think the one I have created two, so it's coming like this. I'll choose this, and here the task, we go to the task kubectl. You need to select the right configuration, service connection. I'm going to select QA for this, and apply command, kubectl apply command, and use configuration, the file which is in the drop YAML. Okay, now we are good. Let me add one more thing, replace token. Let me explain what is replace token. So replace token, because we are keep on pushing, is a continuous integration, continuous deployment, right? So in this case, the number would be changing. So we need to pass the parameter according to the, right. So I'm going to change only this YAML file here, put it here. Okay, now save, and create release, and I'm going to do the same thing. Further, I can also add, okay, let me release, and then we can add production. Create release, release, deploy. Sometimes you get the error also, but let's see how it is the. So we have created the, it is in progress. Let's see. Artifact downloaded. Okay, it's doing. So we are good, I guess. Let's see if we get any error. Apply command, it's running. Okay, we have succeeded. So you can see all this, and I'm going to the namespace, get service, it's a QA, right? So it's deployment, yeah, it's created and pending for the IP cluster, external IP. Let's keep on run. Okay, we got the external IP. Now the IP address is exposed to 80. I'm going to type here 80, and you can see the website. It's going to, yeah, it's pulling the details. Yes, This is the website. It's very simple, a single line website. I created it and it's very